Oh,
I pressed it.
yeah, I pressed it too.
So,
We're recording now. This is our first video.
alright, so ready up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, my fault. You wanna just do a normal quick play, like find match?
I guess so, yeah.
It feels weird, but you know. Oh, let's go roadside?
Roadside is good. Roadside is good. Capture the pig,
Best
bro.
map, by the way. Best map, worst get. Let's just join the team with no P. Oh, alright, I guess we're gonna be on opposite teams.
I didn't even mean to join this
Well, it's too bad, I guess. I like this game. This game's fun.
Me
If
too.
you never played Shotgun Farmers, you should buy it. It's only $10, bro. If you ain't got $10,
Then
do better.
you broke.
You broke for real. And we started off losing, or at least I started off losing. Unlike someone who joined the wrong team. I
Shut up.
only have bots.
You only have bots?
Yes, because you have a team of real people.
Dang
Oh, no, I don't. I got two real people: Ham Fam and Mystic BDA.
Yeah, you got like 3 people on your team. Don't know what you're saying.
Maybe if you got rid of that yeet.
Oh,
Oh, I
nah,
killed you, by the
bro.
way. I don't know if you
I know you killed me.
know. Dang it. You cheated. You're cheating. You're cheating.
I'm not
Cheating,
cheating.
cheating, cheating.
I'm not cheating.
Prop drop? Oh, hold on. I'm about to get a double cob and target you for the rest of the game. I
No,
don't even care
no.
about winning. Alright. I got Uzukini.
What the freak? Oh. That's pretty cool.
Uzukini kind of overpowered. I've been using it more recently, and it's kind of really good. Dang it.
That was pretty good.
Yo, you got 2 ammo in that?
I just traded it.
My team lost the pig. Wow, my teammates suck. That's crazy. Bro, Bramby carrying on my team. Bramby carrying for real.
Bramby? That's a bot.
Yeah, I know.
The bot's
And he
doing
also
better than
has
everybody
0
else. Ain't
kills.
no way.
Bro, bro's got 0 kills, 0 points, 9 deaths, 0 assists.
No.
Oh,
How
bro's
could you let
crazy
your
at the
team
game, is
do
what I'm
this?
trying to say. Did you get killed by Bramby? Dang it. Bro, if Bramby gets a kill, that'll be a day to remember.
Dang it! I got killed by
Dang.
Bramby, but I killed Bramby.
Wait, you actually got killed by Bramby?
Yeah.
Yo, Bramby crazy. Why did my team lose the pig? Why does my...
Why would you do this to me?
get destroyed, actually. Maybe if you would just, do better. Bro, the people who use those YouTuber skins like Nogla, Terrorizer,
They're sweaty.
Delirious, and, Vanis, yeah, they're all sweaty, bro. I said Vanis, what am I doing? I'm not British, for real. You got a guy like that on your team, Pupo Deeger or something. You can tell that he's trying super hard. You can tell that I just killed you.
You can
Dang it.
tell that you just died.
Yo, why don't you read out your chicken's name? Oh, shoot, we scored.
Alright, I'll read it out. C-O-C-K.
Oh, that's very cool. I forgot you're dyslexic. You can't read.
I can read.
What?
And I'm the one who got the point. Haha.
Get over here.
No. Go away. We don't need you
Don't
here.
grab that.
Dang it.
Oh, go away. Move on. We don't want you here.
We've already recorded 5 minutes.
Very cool. No, we haven't. Have we?
Yeah.
It hasn't said the recording stopped. What if I wasn't recording this whole time? No, I am. I can record 10 minutes. It lied.
Oh dang. That's pretty cool.
What if it's in like 360p? You stop that.
Why? Why?
It's a bird. It's a plane.
Crap drop. Why is that guy on your name Pinch Me Mr. Ho?
Well, Danny, it really is.
Let me off the pig! Can't get off here.
You
What?
don't even know how to get off a pig?
No, you can see in the recording. I was pressing A, but at the bottom it just kept saying, "Can't get off here." Oh, also we just lost. Oh, how did we not lose there? Why is your entire team standing here, bro?
Because the pig.
Oh,
30 seconds left.
only 30 seconds. Bro, our entire recording's gonna be this one game. Jelly Toaster. What the heck? What have some people got some whack usernames? Who makes their name Coober Pro, bro? Jelly Toaster 7. Oh, I won. You wanna go back to lobby and try to get into a new game
Yeah.
so that we can be on the same team?
Yeah. Wait, let me pause it.
Get the hoe down. I've decided that I want all those shotgun skins because I think it's cool.
Yeah, also, I just done something, so there's probably gonna be a little cut in the video, but it's fine. Yeah, ready up. Wait, ready up?
Oh, my fault.
Wait, dude,
Whoa.
we can't do it.
The police hat? What do you mean?
We can't even do a game. I'm the leader, and it says I have to ready up.
Well, is it because we accepted each other? Hold on, we gotta get into a. Hold on, I'm leaving the group.
Alright.
Neither of us is party leader. Hold on, let me invite you.
Bro, what is this?
Neither of us were party. Did you accept my invite when I sent it last time?
Yeah, also, guys, go to my personal channel. I got this music video that's premiering now. I've been working on it for a while, so yeah.
You gonna ready up?
Oh, my fault.
You guys like my skin? It's gay Jesus.
Capture the pig. Well, we just played this.
Oh. You want to go back to lobby? Alright, let's make sure we get on the same team this time. Join the one with... Yeah. Alright. Join the one with 3 people. No, it's technically... Oh, yo, and we're winning to start off? That guy's the Choco Cob. I want it. Oh, Justin, I see your funny chicken. And its funny name. This guy got the stupid
What are you
pig
talking
boink.
about? I have a normal name.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's COCK.
Yeah.
Do you like my chicken? You like his name? Oh. Why would you not protect me?
I wasn't paying attention.
course you weren't. Bro, I swear, if they... Dang it. Wait, we didn't lose at the pig. I mean, they didn't return. We did. Oh. We need to escort the pit.
Escort the pog.
No way. Do you like my chicken's name?
Yeah. But it's not your lunch, it's mine.
Oh, my fault. Danny. Oh, that guy's name is Danny Boy. Wow.
That's so cool.
That is awesome.
I didn't know that.
That's crazy.
Oh crap.
Oh, this guy's stuck in an emote.
Got him. Red Daddy.
Shotgun farmers.
Oh, dang it.
Yo, Justin, just curious, what game are we playing?
It's a game about farming, Andy.
No, this guy's stuck in an emote. Shotgun farmers.
Bro. Bro, Quasi, all he does is bug fix.
Bro needed to take a week off to make a rock pet that I haven't seen a single person use.
If Quasi watches this though, then we're not being mean.
Oh yeah, we're getting banned permanently.
Oh no. That's not good.
Aw, dog, this man got locked on. Bro is cheating. He's not cheating. I don't think so anyway. I hope not. Yo, I'm about to use everyone's favorite weapon. Hey,
We need to
Kay.
put one of them generic outros.
We also need to do a generic outro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey, we
Play
gotta do that
outro.
at the end of this video.
Yeah, and we gotta keep doing it at the end of the video so people only know that we're doing it if they watch this one.
Yeah. We just do it on purpose each time.
Oh, wait, no, that's the rock.
Donut. But I swear, I've been seeing more new players on this game because I've been seeing more people who are using like default farmer skins, but they're not using a but they're not a bot because it doesn't say it in the player menu.
I'm in a fight right now. Oh, well he's dead. Oh, that was a
Oh,
bot.
oh.
Dang it.
That was a sick clip you just hit on that bot. Bro, I swear, some people are using the like the default farmer skin on purpose to make them look bad or something. Because I also see a bunch of people who are using like default farmer clothes and like the starting hats you get, who are like really good at the game. Maybe I'm just really bad at the game. Kill him, what are you doing?
Who, me?
Yes. Oh,
I'm fighting.
my fault. Yeah, but he didn't look at you. How could you not hit him? He was on the pig.
I don't know.
I don't know about that one. This guy's still stuck in an emo. What is he doing?
I don't know what he's doing.
Oh, I'm purged again.
Oh, we
Bro,
need to
you
make
got
a
it.
video on Black Ops for real though.
We do. What, like how far we can get in one zombies, like as soon as we lose, the video ends.
Yeah, like we could do like pistol only challenge or something.
What, we use the pistol until we can open the mystery box, and then we're only allowed to use the first gun we get from the mystery box.
Yeah, I've seen this challenge where it's like a 2-box challenge. You search it 2 times and you have to use those weapons.
Minute left to go. Well,
Yeah, we could do
Danny,
that.
playing this time.
Bro, I kind of did hit a sick clip where I got 2 snipes in a row, but one of them was on a bot, so it doesn't really count.
For some reason, I was following the other team, and I don't know why.
Did they kill you?
We need to do
Oh
go
shoot,
down.
we gotta hit the. Why are they not? Yo, bro, I swear to God, Mustard Pilot, do the hoedown. It's free. Oh my God, they really ruined it.
Alright, let's see how much XP
Should we
we
end it?
got. Alright, let's go back to lobby. I think it's
Alright,
time
should we
that we
end
do our generic intro. Not intro,
the
outro.
outro? Bro, really messed up
My
the
fault,
last
my
part.
fault, my fault.
Alright, when do I stop recording? Cause I'm almost at 10 minutes. Alright, we gotta do the.
Yo,
We gotta do the
I'll see you
outro.
guys later in the next video, and it's your turn.
I'll
Speak.
see you. I'll see you in the next